In this video, I'm going to show you and teach you on how you can digitize your customer orders in ClickUp. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.clickup.com and log in to your ClickUp account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, go to Create and then go to Templates. From here, type in order in the search node. This will then allow you to be provided by ClickUp numerous templates regarding order management. So simply choose one that you think fits your needs the best. So I'm going to use this template, for example. Make a list name, choose where it would be located, and of course, like every other template, choose whether to import everything or customize import items. And also, if you want to import the dates as is or remap it. Of course, you can also choose whether or not to include the archive text. Once done, use template. Now, ClickUp would set this up and it should show right here on the left panel. And once it finishes, it should automatically open. So let's wait for a few seconds. It's almost done. It should open now. And there we go. Now we have a template where we can digitize our customer orders from a list name of active orders, returns and issues, completed orders, of course, a Kanban board for us to see our progress, and even order and supplier insights right here. And that's it. So, if you want to support our channel, feel free to use the affiliate link given on the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on my next video.